My name is Samarth Kansal.
Hi, my name is Shri Kansal.
We are the directors at Jagadamba Cutlery Ltd. Our company is one of the largest manufacturing exporters for stainless steel kitchenware products. We export to more than 60 countries. And in the kitchenware segment, we are one of the pioneers and innovators in terms of new product launches that we do in India as well as abroad. Through our journey, new product development has always been a little pain where it takes a lot of man hours and a lot of skill set to design a product.
With Locanam SLS technology, we are able to prototype faster and have more creative freedom with the designs that we make. We have a very good experience working with Uday from the company, and we recommend you to buy the machine to make all your molds in-house.
So through this machine, we were able to do a quick prototype of the product. It did not take much long of a time. This helped us get an idea of how the overall product would look, and then what all changes we had to do on the design to get to our final product, which looks like this. So we are happy that our prototyping now is easy. Any changes that we have to make is quick to perform and get quick approvals from the client. For us, it's very important to close an order as soon as we can. So this machine has really helped us in achieving that.
So Shri, if we talk about this product, you made this in-house with SLS technology.
Right.
If this was not available to you, then how would you have made this product?
So this is a 10-part product, which is basically our ice bucket and cutlery stand. If we would have gone in traditional molding, it would have taken us more than 60 days. And per part, we would have to make 2 molds, which would have costed us more than 10 lakh rupees.
Okay.
So first of all, we saved that cost program, so it's a financial benefit. And obviously, we could visualize the product very fast with the SLS technology. We achieved this in the same day. So now we are more confident in spending towards production now that we have a prototype in our hand.
Amazing, amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.